Imagine waking up, brewing your morning coffee, and watching your bank account grow without ever leaving your couch. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the kicker. It's happening every day thanks to the magic of affiliate marketing. Wait, what is that? Affiliate marketing is the secret sauce behind influencers, bloggers, and everyday people cashing in on the digital gold rush. In simple terms, it's like being the middleman in a transaction. You promote products or services you love, or at least like enough to sell, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you pocket a commission. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree, a huge budget, or a background in sales to get started. Just a willingness to learn, hustle smart, and tap into the endless opportunities the internet offers. But let's be honest, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a powerful, scalable, and legitimately fun way to build an income stream that works for you 24/7. Want to know how? Stick around, because we're diving into the nitty-gritty of building a thriving affiliate marketing business that could change your financial future forever. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and take control of your earnings? Let's get started. Welcome to Money AI Secrets, where we uncover the easiest, tech-driven ways for everyday people to earn, save, and grow their money. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Step 1. Choose a niche for your affiliate marketing journey. Selecting the right niche is a crucial first step in your affiliate marketing journey. Start by identifying your interests and passions. Choosing a niche that excites you not only makes the process enjoyable, but also keeps you motivated in the long run. Whether it's fitness, technology, or travel, your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, attracting a dedicated audience. When you figured out your ideas, it's essential to research market demand and competition within your chosen niche. Utilize tools like Google Trends and keyword research platforms to gauge interest levels. Understanding what potential customers are searching for can help you tailor your content effectively. Additionally, analyzing your competition will give you insights into what works and what doesn't, allowing you to carve out your unique space in the market. Lastly, consider the profitability of products or services in your niche. Look for affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and a range of products that appeal to your target audience. By focusing on a niche that combines your passions with market demand and profitability, you'll set a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing success. Step 2. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to join affiliate programs that align with it. Start by exploring popular affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share A Sale. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services, making it easier to find options that resonate with your audience. Each network has its unique offerings, so take the time to browse through their catalogs. As you evaluate different programs, pay close attention to the commission structure and payment terms. Some programs offer higher commissions but may have stricter requirements, while others provide lower commissions with more accessible entry points. Understanding these details will help you choose programs that not only fit your niche, but also provide a sustainable income potential. Finally, sign up for affiliate programs that align with your niche and audience. Look for products or services that you genuinely believe in and that your audience would find valuable. This authenticity will enhance your credibility and encourage your audience to trust your recommendations. By carefully selecting the right affiliate programs, you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing strategy that resonates with your target market. Step 3. Create a platform to promote affiliate products. Creating a platform to promote your affiliate products is essential for your success in affiliate marketing. Start by choosing a platform that suits your style and audience, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media. Each platform has its unique advantages. For instance, blogs allow for in-depth content, while YouTube offers engaging visual storytelling. Select the one that aligns best with your strengths and the preferences of your target audience. Once you've chosen your platform, ensure it is user-friendly and visually appealing. A clean, organized layout will enhance user experience and keep visitors engaged. Invest time in designing your platform to reflect your brand identity, using colors, fonts, and images that resonate with your niche. The next step is to develop quality content that resonates with your target audience. Focus on creating informative, entertaining, and valuable content that addresses their needs and interests. This could include product reviews, tutorials, or how-to guides that incorporate your affiliate links naturally. By providing genuine value, you'll build trust with your audience, making them more likely to click on your affiliate links and ultimately drive sales. A strong platform is the foundation for your affiliate marketing success. Step 4. Produce valuable content that incorporates affiliate links. Producing valuable content is key to successful affiliate marketing. Start by creating engaging articles, videos, or social media posts that provide real solutions to your audience's problems. Focus on topics that resonate with their interests and needs, whether it's tips, tutorials, or product comparisons. The more helpful and informative your content, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. As you develop your content, it's essential to integrate affiliate links naturally. Avoid forcing links into your content. Instead, weave them seamlessly into your narrative. For example, if you're writing a product review, include your affiliate link when discussing the product's features or benefits. This approach not only enhances the user experience, but also increases the likelihood of clicks. Additionally, use calls to action, CTAs, to encourage your audience to click on your affiliate links. Phrases like, "check it out here," or "learn more about this product," can guide your readers toward taking action. Make sure your CTAs are clear and compelling, prompting your audience to explore the products you recommend. By producing valuable content that incorporates affiliate links thoughtfully, you'll build trust and drive conversions, ultimately boosting your affiliate marketing success. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate content. Driving traffic to your affiliate content is crucial for maximizing your earning potential. One effective way to enhance your content's visibility is by utilizing SEO strategies. Focus on keyword research to identify terms your target audience is searching for, and incorporate these keywords naturally into your articles, titles, and meta descriptions. This will help improve your rankings on search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find your content. In addition to SEO, leverage social media platforms to share your content and attract followers. Create engaging posts that highlight your articles or videos and encourage your audience to share them. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter can help you connect with a broader audience and drive traffic back to your affiliate links. Engaging with your followers through comments and messages can also foster a sense of community, encouraging them to return for more content. Lastly, consider paid advertising options to reach an even broader audience. Platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads allow you to target specific demographics, ensuring your content reaches those most likely to be interested in your affiliate products. By combining these strategies, you'll effectively drive traffic to your affiliate content and increase your chances of generating sales. Step 6. Analyze performance and optimize your strategy. Analyzing your performance is essential for refining your affiliate marketing strategy. Start by using analytics tools to track key metrics such as clicks, conversions, and earnings. Platforms like Google Analytics or affiliate network dashboards provide valuable insights into how your content is performing. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify trends and understand what resonates with your audience. Once you have this data, focus on identifying which content performs best. Look for patterns in the articles, videos, or posts that generate the most clicks and conversions. This could be specific topics, formats, or styles that engage your audience effectively. By replicating the success of your top-performing content, you can create more of what your audience loves, ultimately driving more traffic and sales. Additionally, continuously refine your approach based on data insights. Experiment with different strategies, such as varying your calls to action, adjusting your SEO tactics, or trying new promotional channels. Regularly reviewing your performance will help you stay agile and responsive to changes in your audience's preferences. By consistently analyzing and optimizing your strategy, you'll enhance your affiliate marketing efforts, leading to increased traffic, higher conversions, and greater overall success. Let's recap. Making money with affiliate marketing. In this video, we've explored the essential steps to successfully make money with affiliate marketing. We began by discussing the importance of choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and passions. Next, we highlighted the significance of joining relevant affiliate programs that offer products your audience will love. After that, we emphasized the need to create a user-friendly platform to promote your affiliate products effectively. We then delved into the importance of producing valuable content that incorporates affiliate links naturally, followed by strategies to drive traffic to your content through SEO, social media, and paid advertising. Finally, we discussed the necessity of analyzing your performance and optimizing your strategy based on data insights. Now that you have a clear roadmap, it's time to take action and start your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and the right strategies, you can achieve your goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Click the link in the description below to find more information about your money-making journey with AI tools. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your affiliate marketing path. See you in the next video.